This year we started a drones program at our school.
We built and programmed our controllers. We learned how to fly our drones and build an obstacle course to challenge ourselves.
We designed, 3D printed, and tested our own propellers.
And it wouldn't have been possible without you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, NextEra. With your support, the sky's the limit.